So Mark, you'll be looking to bounce back after your defeat against Aberystwyth, but the airfield's a difficult place to go on Saturday.
Yeah, Airbus is a tough place to go now that they've really established themselves in this league and they're one of the top sides in the league. They were tough at home when we drew 4-4, so it's going to be a tough game away from home, but we'll go up there looking to get something from there.
And I thought David Brooks was outstanding on Saturday in the Aberystwyth game, but he went off injured. Is he going to be fit to start on the weekend?
Yeah, Brooks, he should be okay. Like I said, he had 2 or 3 games out, and he cramped up towards the end of the game, but he should be okay for Saturday.
And you must be delighted with the way that he and Jeff White have performed for you this season, having signed them from lower league football.
Yeah, there's like I said, people from lower league level. It's great to give them a chance, and when they do pay off, it's superb. There's a lot of talent out there in the Welsh league, even in the senior leagues and such. And there's always been talent in Welsh football. It's nice to give it a chance and show themselves in the Premier League of Wales. And there's a lot of people like the young lad again coming through at Connors Key now, Healy. He's new to the league this year. He's got about 10 goals. The boy White for us got about 7 goals. I'm sure every year, it's good and it's fresh to see good young players coming through from lower leagues.
And would you think that Jeff White's a contender possibly for goal of the boot if he carries on his form?
I think the lad Sim is doing really well at Bangor, and Bangor are always, they fly forward every game and chuck people in the box. So I think the smart money would be on Sim, unless we get Griff back on loan at Christmas.
And looking forward to your team selection on the weekend. You've got Cortez Bell back. How much of a difference will that make?
Yeah, we definitely missed him last week. We weren't great at the back, but we won games without him when he was out at the first period of the season. But it's great to have him back, and we'll be a stronger team with him. Any team in this league will be stronger with Tez in.